Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Whirlpool ice and water refrigerator filter one. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Whirlpool ice and water refrigerator filter one for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. The everydrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1, EDR1 RXD1, Single Pack, a must-have for cleaner, healthier water. When it comes to keeping your home's water and ice tasting fresh and clean, there's no better choice than the everydrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1, EDR1 RXD1. This filter is designed to deliver superior water filtration, ensuring that you and your family enjoy the best possible quality in every glass. Whether you use it for drinking, cooking, or making ice, this filter provides a reliable solution for purifying your refrigerator's water system. Why choose everydrop by Whirlpool? Everydrop by Whirlpool is a trusted brand in the home appliance industry, known for delivering high-performance products that enhance daily life. The everydrop filter range is no different, designed to be an easy-to-install solution for families seeking cleaner, healthier water. With everydrop, you're not just purchasing a filter, but a product backed by the reputation of Whirlpool, a brand that has been a household name for over a century. The everydrop Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1, EDR1 RXD1, is engineered to be compatible with several Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, and JennAir refrigerator models. This makes it an excellent choice for households with these appliances, ensuring that your water filtration needs are met without the hassle of multiple incompatible filter types. What makes the EDR1 RXD1 stand out? Advanced filtration technology. The everydrop EDR1 RXD1 utilizes a combination of carbon and other high-quality filtration materials to remove a wide range of contaminants. This includes chlorine, lead, mercury, and other potentially harmful substances that may affect the taste, odor, and quality of your water. It's certified by NSF to reduce more contaminants than any other refrigerator filter, ensuring your water is as clean as possible. Fresh taste and clean ice. One of the primary reasons people invest in a refrigerator water filter is for better tasting water and ice. The EDR1 RXD1 excels in this area, providing crisp, fresh-tasting water that you'll love drinking and ice that's free from unpleasant tastes and odors. If you use your refrigerator's ice maker or water dispenser regularly, this filter will ensure that your ice cubes come out tasting just as pure as the water you drink. Easy installation. Installing the everydrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1 is straightforward and user-friendly. No special tools are required, and the installation process typically takes just a few minutes. Simply remove the old filter, insert the new one, and you're good to go. There's no need to worry about complicated procedures or additional help, making this filter a perfect choice for those who prefer a hassle-free solution. Long-lasting performance. The EDR1 RXD1 filter lasts up to 6 months or 200 gallons, whichever comes first. This means you won't need to change the filter too frequently, which is not only convenient but also cost-effective. Regularly replacing your filter ensures that your refrigerator's water system remains in top shape and your family continues to enjoy clean, refreshing water without interruption. Affordable price. When compared to other high-end refrigerator filters, the everydrop by Whirlpool filter provides exceptional value for its price. Given its performance, longevity, and the quality of water it delivers, the cost is relatively low considering the benefits. Plus, when you consider the potential health and taste benefits of using a quality filter, the investment becomes well worth it. How often should you replace the filter? To ensure optimal performance, Whirlpool recommends replacing the EDR1 RXD1 filter every 6 months. If you use more water or ice than the average household, or if you notice a change in water taste or flow, you might want to replace the filter earlier. However, every 6 months is a good rule of thumb for most households. The everydrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1, EDR1 RXD1, Single Pack is an essential addition to your home's water filtration system. With its advanced filtration technology, Easy installation and long-lasting performance, it ensures that your family enjoys pure, great-tasting water and ice at all times. Whether you're concerned about contaminants or simply want to improve the flavor of your water, this filter offers an affordable and effective solution. Say goodbye to unpleasant tasting water and hello to the refresh. Thanks for watching the video.